Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I know you guys have been looking for updates that you can actually use to make money. This is actually the updates with no cost. Okay, you can actually use this to make money to yourself. I'm actually making this video for those of my new subscribers who are trying to look for one way or the other to make money online, especially on crypto space. You can actually engage with this arbitrage I'm going to show you and make good profit to yourself. First of all, what we want to do, the kind of arbitrage we want to carry out is called P2P arbitrage. This kind of arbitrage I'm doing is P2P arbitrage. This involves buying from Binance and selling it on another exchange. If you are interested in this kind of update, I am Crypto 001. What I do is that I bring to you any kind of updates such as exchanges of arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, P2P trading, um, airdrop, and so on and so forth. So if you like the kind of update that I keep dropping on this channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I post a video, you watch it, and also press the notification button. You'll be getting notified anytime I drop a video like this. Okay, fine. Without wasting much time, I want to just dive into the amazing update. I'm just doing this for free. I'm not charging you guys. I'm not even asking you to join any VIP class. I'm doing this for free for you guys. So first of all, what you need to do is, let's start this with, let me say, $50. So for the benefit of those that don't have up to $100. So without wasting much time, what we need to do here, you can see this guy you are seeing, crypto back, is actually selling um 1 USD at the rate of 1,650 naira, and his limit is from 4,000 to 196,000 naira. So we're actually going to buy from this guy. What you need to do is to click on buy. Once you click on buy, this interface will pop up and you will insert the amount of crypto you want to buy. Let's just click on crypto and set like 50 USDT. With the sum of 50 USDT, you are going to pay 82,500 naira. Okay, let's go and see if this is actually going to be profitable. Okay, once you are here, you need to search for USDT/NGN, and what you need to do is to just set in the amount of NGN you have here. You can see with your 50 NGN, what do we actually spend there when we bought this? We bought this from P2P. We actually spent 82,500. So let's just assume we have 82,500. Then in my previous video, I actually show you guys, if you are trying to send money from Binance to any wallet such as Gate.io, Kucoin, Bybit, and Mex, all those top exchanges, you need to use BNB Smart Chain. With BNB Smart Chain, you are going to charge a little amount of fee, which you can actually transfer and still make profit. The amount of fee they are going to charge you is just 0.19 worth of USDT. That is the only thing you are going to be charged. So it's actually profitable with less transfer. Don't use any other wallet address. Use BNB so that you have a little bit transfer fee. So what we need to do, let's move into Kucoin and see how we can sell this and make profit to ourselves. Okay, we are now on Kucoin. We need to press on where you see pay to pay. Okay, once you click on pay to pay, it will pop up, a menu will pop up. You can see we are on buy section. What we need to do now is to click on sell section. Once you click on sell section, you can actually see merchants that are ready to buy your coin at 1,750 naira. This one is ready to buy at 1,000. If you go with this merchant, you are not going to make profit because it's selling very low. So we need to go with the one that is selling at the rate of 1,750 naira. So as I always said, don't be scared. Since you are the one selling the coin, you need first of all you need to receive your money in your wallet before you can actually release the coin. So in case you want to sell the coin, and please let me send this to you guys. If anybody should ask you to chat with him or her outside the escrow, please don't do that. Don't follow anybody to WhatsApp, don't follow anybody to Facebook, any social platform. Just make sure that everything is being done here on Kucoin. Don't allow anybody to convince you to any social platform, okay? So that you will not go and lose your money. Let every chat and every transfer be done here so that the escrow will be able to judge when the person does not send you the money. Okay, so what I want you to do, always stay safe here on this platform. Once you initiate a trade, make sure you stay here. Let the person say, even if the person say check that you should click on links, please don't click on it. Okay, that's what they normally do on Paxful. So what we need to do now is we are going to sell to this first guy. You can see the guy actually accept PalmPay and OPay. So that is very, very common here in Nigeria. You can actually make use of those two wallets. So what you need to do is, you can see the guy is actually buying from the limit of 20,000 to whether 5 million or 50 million. So you just need to click on this guy right now. Okay, once you click on this guy, you will see a pop-up. Let's insert our 50 USDT. Okay, if you are sending 50 USDT from Binance to Kucoin, you are going to receive 49.81 because they are going to charge you a fee of 0.19 using BNB smart chain. So that is what we are going to receive. We are going to use 49.8. So with your 82,500, you have been able to make 5,150 naira as a profit. This is massive, guy. This is actually profitable. So without wasting much time, let's move to our calculator. Okay, we are on our calculator. Let's say 87,150 naira minus 82,500 naira. You have made a profit of 4,650 naira per transaction, per trade. So what if you get like, what if you repeat this like 5 times, like 4,650 naira times 5, this is 23,250 naira, guys. Then let's say 23,250 naira times 30, like you will be making a whooping sum of 697,500. Can you see how this is actually profitable, guys? It's actually profitable. So just implement this strategy and make a whole lot of money to yourself. Okay, so if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my video. I will be always keeping you on touch, stay keeping you video that will always trigger you to make money every day. I'm not just making video for you guys to make money, but I'm also making video for you guys to get motivated, to get started, be someone in life, so that that girl will be see you like small boy that time go see come back to you guys. So thank you very much for watching this video. I love you guys.